Hey y'all, and welcome back to my channel. Come with me to get my stitches removed. It looks so terrible, y'all, and it hurts so bad, but I'm so happy that it's healing up as it should. And I'm gonna throw in a little mini fish fry because I got hungry as soon as I got home, so stay tuned for that. Okay, y'all, now let's get into this fish. I am frying some flounder. I was so hungry, I was so ready to eat. I had it sitting in warm water so it can thaw out. I'm going to dump that out, rinse it off, get it seasoned. I had my grease already getting hot. You should always do that before you fry anything. My grandmother taught me that. But yeah, my grease was already getting hot, so I'm just going to get it open, rinse it off, get it seasoned, and throw it on in the grease. Y'all, the whole time I'm thinking I'm showing the time and it's showing the oven temperature, but it was 9 a.m. y'all. I was frying some fish at 9 a.m. I'm so happy. I love cooking, y'all, especially when I'm hungry. I be so ready to eat my little food. And here I go again, doing my little happy dance, just ready to eat. I'm not too much of a big fan of air fried french fries, y'all. I highly recommend just throwing the babies in the grease for that extra crisp. And, just, I don't know. When I put them in the air fryer, it kind of still tastes like I don't know, y'all. It kind of tastes like you put it in the oven, but I would prefer to put them in the grease. But I was so hungry, I was just ready to eat. Look at me. So yeah, but I really don't recommend air fried French fries, only because I like my fries crispy. So yeah.